To turn off Safari restrictions on your iPhone, unlock your device and go to the home screen. Tap the settings icon. In the settings menu, tap screen time. Next, tap content and privacy restrictions. Select content restrictions. Then tap web content. Change the setting from allowed websites to unrestricted. This will grant full access to all websites in Safari without restrictions.